Hi there, Dev029 and all the rest of you good people out there. I hope that you are all well and that health is with you. Regarding the question on the forum on how to bend non-uniform thickness parts, I assume that this would be kind of a plastic part. Could potentially be a metal part as well, I guess. But without knowing it's difficult to properly advise. But from the sketches that are provided in the question here, I would assume that the expectation would be the functionality that is in the sheet metal application. So I will work towards that. But at the same time, I can also mention that global shaping might be something that you would like to look into. Okay, so let's kick this off. I'm gonna bend this thing in the recess area there, and to do so I will use the sheet metal application. However, the sheet metal application prefers to have consistent thickness, so we will do that first. And since we will bend it in the minimal area here, or the minimum thickness area here, that is the thickness we will use. So I will actually just use one face here, not that face, that face, and I will extrude that until extended the top face there. There we go. And since I'm going to use this plate here as a base plate for my sheet metal application, I'm also going to make sure that these faces, top and bottom face, is always available for the sheet metal application. And that means that I will offset these guys, let's say 0.5. And if the other way around, sorry about that, flip that, there we go. And if I show them together, you see that if I unite these two, they will represent the final shape that I had as coming into this modeling issue here. So the idea here is to first convert this guy into a sheet metal part. So we do that. We convert this guy into a sheet metal part. And since I now have it converted, I can now unite them. So I'm going to unite this guy with that guy. And I can now bend them. So with the sheet metal application here, we are now able to bend. And we're going to bend around this face. And we're going to bend around the line that is the control points, meaning the center line there. We say finish to that. And we're going to bend it the other way so we see it better. And as you can see here, we already toggle on the center line. Normally that would be the outer mold line, which also means that I cannot bend it, overbend it, because the recess areas here is a little bit too small. It needs to be a little bit wider if I would use that option. But that means that I would bend it from the center, and that's not really what I want. I actually want to bend it from the center line there, if you like. I assume so anyway, that is the behavior that is required. And that would be all from me on how to do this with a sheet metal application. I hope this helps in your future endeavors, Dev029 and all the rest of you good people out there. And that's me signing out. So over and out from Fred. Take care, be safe, and bye for now.